So today, good morning everyone. We are back again here. So we are back again, mechanical trader. Here we are back again. So the time is not on my side actually. So before the market open, this 7:52. So you'll have a little time for the session open, and there's some entry I'm probably looking at for me to take entry this very morning. So the precision analysis here we're doing. So it's for so let's just start. We don't have time on our side. So the first thing is that, as you can see our on our downtrend, as you can see, we stayed here on 4 hour higher time frame. We're currently in downtrend, and pullback has ended, and what we currently switch. So we currently switch bearish. So pullback has ended, as you know that we are already on what 4 hour downtrend, because starting from here we're already in a downtrend. So starting from this point here, right? Starting from this point here, so we're already in a downtrend. As you can see here, so we add it. So we're already in the downtrend. So that's what the downtrend starts from. So and we know that as well, as we are pulling back on the downtrend and far while we are currently switching bullish. And pullback has ended. So if you go to 1 hour, so if you check our current swing range, so 4 hour swing high, a 4 hour swing low. So the inconveniences. So the 4 hour, so 4 hour swing, uh swing low. Exactly. So when we have a bigger structure from this point here, okay. So now you go to the 15-minute time frame, what I was seeing. So this is what we are seeing actually. 15-minute time frame. So we're in downtrend. And probably look for a part of entry from this point here. So because the bigger structure, it's going to pullback, bigger structure, pullback, bigger structure. So pullback here, we expect what? Bigger structure downside. So that's what we're probably looking for actually. So we go to one time frame. I'm probably looking to take that entry out from here. So probably looking here. So we're looking here. So if this wasn't able to take out this high and come down south, so I'll probably take my entry here, because there we have a microstructure shift. So and that is that about that. So that is that for so the point of pullback here is demand. Just demand. So demand zone from here. So the point of pullback here, and we expect pullback from there. So US 30, actually for gold, this is we switch bullish trend from here. We switch bullish, then bearish, then switch bullish. As you can see. So we switch bullish from this point. We have a pullback, we take out this high. But this high wasn't able to take out the what the switch bullish. Probably take out what now so now we switch bullish on 4 hour time frame. So as you can see, so this low wasn't able to take out so this previous low, and from there we switch bullish. Now we are going up. So what we expecting is what we'll be taking an uptrend. So for long position from this point here. So we go to 50-minute time frame, and that's what we're probably doing because we've changed trend already. So we've changed trend. So our trend change from this point here, we'll break out of the body to this high. So let's take a pull back, pull back. So for us to go for a long position from this point here. So here's JPY. As you can see, we are short. So this is what the entry I want to take before. I want to probably take before, but just because due to something, so I literally missed the entry, and now so when break out pull back, so we expect we expect the entry to go from there. So and this is what the supply and demand that leads to the pullback of what of that. So here's JPY. I don't want to miss the entry. So you're probably looking for sell from this point here. So that's what I'm actually expecting for this low to take out this high. But if this low failed to take out this high, probably weak high, come back down, let's sign that off. So I'll probably be taking entry from this point here. So that's why we're taking entry. So and that's that for that. So the XUSD, we're currently waiting for entry, right? Yeah, we're actually waiting for entry. So I can probably say this as what as my point of interest. So I expect market to come back, pull back to this point here, take an entry, and market come back to the so as you can see, pull back, breakout, so entry, and market will not, the price doesn't come back to this point here. So any gap with market will not always mitigate your point of interest. That's something you have to accept as a fact as a trader. So yes, JPY is gone already. The entry is gone. So we have to take entry from this point here. So as you can see here, pump, it's pulled by the retail and market the take out was to get that high from there to go entry. So there's that. So that is about the USG for entry. So these are concerning swing high, swing low. Okay, 15 microstructure, then swing low. Expect take out that. Now, thank you. So breach it. We breached it for 15 minutes to align. As you can see, it's not valid again. So it's another block of structure again. This is another block of structure. So guess something is wrong. Something is wrong. Honestly, what's just happened? Market just switch bullish. Yeah, man, this is crazy. Honestly, I didn't expect this. Market just switch bullish. Ah, interesting. Allow that. So if this wasn't able to take out this high, just keep going like that. Okay, come and tell me that this is a liquidity grab. Too high to be a liquidity grab. Maybe consolidation. And you have to wait. As you can see, anything can happen. Anything can happen. There is markets for you. Anything can just happen. So that's something to prepare for. So as you can see here, market just switch bullish. So if market go back and take out this high, which means we already switch bullish 1 4 hour. Exactly. So now since the market change trend, we expect this to be our point of interest because we changed trend already. We change trend. You have that TC here. And that is what normally happens in the market. Big guys enter into the market from this point here, and that is it. That is it. So expect pullback to come to this point here. They will take our entry. Expect 1 minute to align. So when you come back to this point here, take the entry. But if it doesn't negate, see the your immediate bias is what is mostly important. That you say you can learn it. So in this one I can say we should close our entry from this point here. Why? Because then it can have for this moment. You can just decide to do those just anything. So this failed to take out this high and break out, but okay, can just switch in bullish again. But if it take out this high here, now we switch bullish on 4 hour time. But for now, so anything can happen, expect it. So if we had that market change, so market structure shift, then we know that okay, we are We are shifting bullish. US30, US30 will switch bullish already. Let's break a structure. You spend the interest of BMR around this place. So SMC, US30, be around this place. So this weird point. So no rejection from that point there. So the point of rejection from this point here. Splitting. So and that's that. Good. Good Yari. Let's put back here. Good Yari. Don't give me put back. So that is there for that. So so that's there for that. For precision analysis, and that is there for another session opening because this session has opened already. And I think that is where the volatility come, the market has pips like that. And that's that for that. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.